Sirikal oyango mar tiego obila e tielo machielo yore makare mag bero osiep kod winjruok e kind obila kod jopiny kaka okang' mar kelo yot e yore mag kedo kod midhiero mag arita e pachoka. E kinde nyasi mar keto ayanga kit tudruok kokalo e WhatsApp e kind obila kod okwach kich kaachiel gi jopiny mar konyo goyo lipot e maling'ling' mag njore, jambetre mar piny Britain e pachoka Neil Wigan owacho ni piny Britain tiyo machiegni gi piny Kenya e keto okenge makare mag jiwo arita kama oting'o nyaka tiego obila ma pachoka. Direkta mar okwach kich Mohamed Amin owacho ni tudruok mar WhatsApp e kind obila kod okwach kich gi jopiny en mar chiwo thuolo ne jopiny mondo obed kod yot mar chopo lipot e wi maling'ling' mag njore e yo mapiyo.
We want to put a lot of emphasis on training of police officers in various ways, training of the DCI officers. We want to put emphasis of training police officers on the ground, those who are handling matters of terror, things that to do with complex crimes. We want to make sure that we train better our department that deals with anti-narcotics department. We want to ensure that the anti-terror department is properly trained. We also want to train ordinary police officers who are doing this job all the time to understand the environment they operate in and the good working relationship we want to foster with our citizens.
So I'd like to thank the National Police Service officers, DCI, and our own Reinvent and law enforcement colleagues for their hard work in keeping the citizens of both our countries safe and providing access to justice. The UK will continue to work with the National Police Service in its mission to provide effective, people-centric and accountable policing services.
With the upgraded system, sir, we are proud to announce that the public can now share information confidentially through WhatsApp at 0709 570 000. This enhancement not only improves accessibility, but also aligns with our goal of adapting to rapid technological advancements in our crime-fighting methods